everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. Hope you guys doing good. Whoever newly joined on my channel, please like, do subscribe and share to others as well, and please visit the channel playlist. So let's start today's session without wasting any time. Let me connect my management studio. So this is my management studio. Okay, so today I am going to describe how to grant a read privilege for the particular developer on a particular table. Okay, so let me connect. Actually, I have already created logins. So if you go and see here, so this login test I have already created because the video will go too longer. So I have already created this logins, and if you can see here, this logins having the privilege on a tech01, only the default one, the public. Okay, so now there is a scenario, they want a particular table level access, so they can use that privilege to read the data of particular table. So how to do that? Actually, if you go and give the read access data reader, it will apply and it will read all the data from all the tables, whatever the tables present on particular database tech01. They will able to read all the table, they will able to access all the table if you grant the data read here. So without knowing the things, don't provide this data reader access. Only they want access on a particular table. In some scenario there are much critical applications, so there are some restriction to, you cannot provide even the reader access, data reader access also for all the application users. So based on that, so in this situation, how to grant the read access on a particular table for a particular restricted users. Okay, so if you see, if you connect, whether we'll see with this test is working or not. So if you go and connect this test user, I can see I'm able to connect. If you go and try to access the other database, you cannot access because you have only tech01. If you expand the tables, you are seeing you are not able to see any tables, right? Because you don't have any privilege as of now. Okay, only you are able to access this database tech01. So how to do that now? Question is how to do that. So there are two simple commands you need to execute, and based on that command you can able to fix this problem. So I have already written the command here. You need to simply execute the grant command on particular schema or table. Okay, the first one, the grant select on whatever the schema. So I am choosing here for the database tech01 the person, and I am granting on an address table for the user test. So in your case here, the command will be replaced with the schema name here and the table name and the username. So if you execute, the simple execute command is succeeded. If you go and refresh again with the test user, refresh this database and come to tables, now hopefully you will see the table person address. Why? Because you have granted the select. The same way, if you give the delete insert here in place of select, they will grant that kind of level access. Okay, if you expand and try to access some rows, you are able to able to execute the select command. So now you can able to, because you have a select privilege. Now the if the further requirement is they want to their need is like grant the view definition also on a particular schema person, then you can grant the view definition also. So in this command you need to put your schema name, and on this schema you can give the grant view, so that they have complete access to view the schema. If you execute this one, so now what will happen? If you go and refresh here, refresh the table, they have now access to view on a schema person. So you can see all the tables which is having the schema person. Okay, but you cannot access, let's see, you don't have permission. See the error, select permission you cannot deny, because you have didn't provided the select on an address type, okay, table. You just only provided the view definition on a particular schema. That's the reason you are able to see the table, but you don't have privilege. You have privilege only on an address table, okay. Now the point is you have granted, but how to revoke it? Same way you can revoke it. Just type it, revoke, one line command, and you can execute, and it will revoke here. If you come and refresh the table, you can see now only the person address. The same, the select, how can you revoke? Just type it, revoke, okay. So it will revoke the access select on a table address. Now you can see address table you will not able to see. It's gone, it's revoked. So through this way you can grant the access on a particular table, okay. Rather than provided the read access on all the database tables, you can go with this approach, because in some cases there are some restricted developer users. You can provide only on his tables, okay. You can provide the access only on a his table, not for alls. So this approach you can fix the problem. Just grant the select command on a particular schema table, and if they want to view definition also, you can give the grant view definition access, okay. So hope you got the points how to grant a table level access, particular table level access. This is very, very useful actually. Sometimes you are not aware at all how to grant the table level access, okay. So hope you got my points, and maybe it's useful. If it is useful, share to others also, so that all can grow together, okay. And I have a request to you guys, go to channel playlist SQL Server DBA. There are around more than 120 videos, same like day-to-day scenarios, and share to others that playlist, so that all can get help. Whoever, my brother started a newly career in a SQL DBA, so they can grow together, okay. And if you like the video, please do the comment also. I'm seeing some comments are coming, but if you are liking the video, just put a comment so that I can understand, yes, I'm creating a good video, or maybe it's getting helpful to you guys, okay. Take care guys, bye bye, thank you, we'll meet soon, thank you.